fuel done. We've got some package to drop off today. So I'm testing, you know, the camera actually, to be honest with you. I'm going to do a quick little run with the BMW before we take it to the garage. Alright, how do I get out of here? I haven't driven in ages, bruv. I've forgotten how to drive, which is always a plus. This man's been away. Right, boom. So basically today we're testing out the little camera on the GoPro on the head. You know, get the best view going, get the best settings going, make it more, you know, realistic, because they're looking a bit slow. Any undercover feds? No, that Jag might be one. But apart from that, had the car remapped as well. So it now pushes 250 horsepower, boys, yay! So yeah, 12 horsepower gains, allegedly, with the map, but I really did it for the O2 sensor delete, so I don't have any engine lights. Like, imagine that a car without any engine lights, so big up Mac Autos for doing that. Car's going in for brake line service today. So brake line change, that's the word I'm looking for. And I believe new spark plugs. Because the car apparently has been running lean for the last couple of years. Plus it's just time to change them as well. You know what I mean? Right, let's do another run. Shit, got new shoes as well. Kind of loose, so it's not really going too great. Come on, Mr. Fiat 500. Bossman, get out of here, bruv. This is a nightmare, boys. Come on, CRV, move over, bro. No, it's not happening today, is it? Oh well. We tried at least. Now he moves over. Nicely slotted. This is what happens when you go to America. You learn the ways of driving like an absolute idiot, bro. What on earth is that? Those are pretty much the straights in the town. So that's it. The camera should have enough footage for it to realise that I'm travelling at the speed of light, doing 100 million miles an hour in a